Namaskar. Is it time for reviewing India-Bangladesh borders? The former governor of Meghalaya, Tathagat Roy, tweeted today as follows: "Civilized world, please take notice. Bangladesh is a country with 92% Muslim and 8% Hindu population with a handful of Buddhists and Christians. The main festival of Hindus is Durga Puja, mainly celebrated in October. This year, someone floated a rumor that the organizers of the Durga Puja had placed a Quran at the feet of an idol and thereby desecrated it. This rumor spread like wildfire and throughout the country and resulted in the majority Muslims desecrating Durga idols and widespread vandalism. A few Hindus have been killed. So what is the truth? The Hindus of Bangladesh are a beleaguered and scared lot and could not imagine desecrating any Islamic scriptures. Yet, it is the standard modus operandi of radical groups to spread such rumors and use them as excuses for persecuting and brutalizing Hindus. The police usually look the other way and begin to act only after most of the damage has been done. Most Bengali-speaking Hindus of India, first cousins of Bangladeshi Hindus, are supremely callous. The victims are therefore looking at the international community for help. So what was the reason for these attacks? What was the slogans that Muslims in Bangladesh, after what they did to Hindus during Durga Puja? Ashe Bochor Abar Habe, meaning next year it will happen again. Originally, it's a slogan of Bengalis on the day of Visarjan of Ma Durga. But then Muslims are going to use it until every single Hindu is exterminated from Bangladesh, like it happened in Afghanistan. And now it's almost completed in Pakistan too. To expect Bangladesh government to ensure the safety of the minorities is a pipe dream. India has to act. No other country will. India must demand and get back land north of the line connecting Malda to Sylhet. It's a straight line. And they should do a population transfer of all Hindus stuck in the remaining part of Bangladesh with Muslims staying illegally in India. A process that can be orderly and conducted with precision with a like-for-like value exchange. A few years ago, the Indian government and the Bangladesh government did do exactly that when they did some conclaves that were part of the erstwhile province of Cooch Behar. So just like that, I hope that the Indian government and the Bangladeshi government sit down and chart out a way whereby for all the Bangladeshi Hindus that have been driven out from 1947 up until now, that there is some justice and that the land that is above, north of Malda to Sylhet, if you draw a straight line, it's just a straight line along a certain parallel. Anything above that should be probably given to India, and then let any of the remaining Bangladeshi Hindus, many of them are in the Chittagong area, and they should probably migrate from there into this new area and do a population exchange. It is high time India do this because this 8% is already a very precarious number. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to this channel and like, and also click on the bell button for notification. Thank you.